Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Manisha and today we are going to paint beautiful dandelions on a mini canvas with acrylic colors. But before we begin this class, I want to show you a glimpse of my brand new Skillshare class which is going to launch tonight. And if you're from future, you can find the link of the class in the description and check out the class on Skillshare. So in this class, we will be painting cute mini floral canvases, and this class is absolutely for beginners and non-artists. So no prior painting or drawing experience is required. We will be painting these cute mini florals together. And if you're not on Skillshare, you can use this link to avail 1 month of premium membership absolutely free, and you can cancel the subscription whenever you like. So that was about my Skillshare class. Now let's begin this class.
Welcome back. It's time for our very first project. So let's squeeze out some white paint on the clipboard and let's apply the strokes we practiced in the previous lesson. It's the dandelions and we have already practiced it. So let's get started. All we have to do is make some small curvy lines joined together at one point or emerging out from a point, just like the practice lesson. And if you notice, right now it will seem easier because we are using the painted canvas right now, so brush movement will be easier than what it was when we practiced on a paper. Now let's add a dot on the top of each curve like that. And there we have our first dandelion ready. Now let's make all the others like this. Bunch of curvy lines, dots on the tips. It's very easy and very simple to make these beautiful dandelions. And here's another one. Let's add one more big dandelion to the composition. After that, if needed, we will add some tiny ones. Here I have reversed the process. I first made a dot, and from that dot I am making small curvy lines coming out. So it's just the same thing. I have taken the reverse path. Instead of making many tiny curvy lines joining at a point, I first made the point, and from there I made lots of curvy lines coming out of that point. So there's no such rule, no set rule when it comes to art. You can follow any style, and there is no wrong way to do that. It's a way of expressing yourself, and of course everybody's expressions will be unique and different, very imperfectly perfect. So it's pointless to compare yourself with someone else, because no two people are alike. Everybody is unique in their own way, and so is their art. So there's nothing wrong or right when it comes to art. It's just a process that we all enjoy, and the final outcome is always unique. There goes the stem, another one, and here's another one. Wow, this looks pretty as it is, but I'm going to add some more tiny ones to the composition. There. Now let's add some leaves exactly the way we practiced in the practice lesson. Pressing the belly of the brush completely on the canvas and dragging it and lifting it. Just like that. Press, drag and lift. There we have it. Now let's add a finishing touch by sprinkling some white paint on top of it. This step is completely optional. I've made the bristles of my brush wet, like really wet, and I took some white paint in it, in the wet brush, and I'm just tapping it to sprinkle or splatter some color for the texture. If you're not confident about this, you can completely skip this step. And if you're going for it, just make sure to keep other canvases aside, because I forgot and you see the splatters on it. This is the final look.
Well, that was it. I hope you liked this cute little video. Please make sure to check out my Skillshare class, because there you get to paint not just this but all the 4 mini florals, which is a lot of fun. I hope to see you there, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.